Hi guys, good morning from Kolli Hills. As I promised in last video, I am starting doing vlogs in English language. So maximum number of people can reach my vlogs and enjoy my vlogs. So today content is and today activities are I am going to climb Kolli Hills. Those are the hills. There is a full of ghat road, so we need to be careful and we need to reach there safely. And I show the place where I stayed yesterday night. This is the place. Actually, around there are like 6-7 people are staying in this container, and I park my vehicle over there. And he is the guy helped me to stay here and provided last night food, dinner, like Tamil Nadu like food. I enjoyed a lot. Uh, yeah. So let me show like a rough tour this place. This is a place. What a place, right? Do you know in olden days they used to do bath? I mean outdoor bath. Okay, so today I experienced that lifestyle. Really awesome. Have a look. So this is the place where I took my bath today in an open area, and it sounds very good. The experience was really awesome. You must try like this kind of experience. And early morning I saw 2 peacocks here itself. Here itself they are going somewhere for a walk, I think so. Chalo, let's go. Here is our vehicle. And currently they are constructing a resort, it seems. Resort, apartments, and on first floor there is a swimming pool, it seems. This is the first project they are doing here in Kolli Hills. And if there is any chance, if I visit next time, definitely I will stay at this place at free of cost. See all the workers. Hi. Early morning they started walking like around 6 o'clock. Walks are going on. So let us ask him what kind of construction going here. Hi brother.
Hi,
Your good name?
Shankar.
So what work is going on here?
Here there is a construction going on, like guest house. It's
Guest house.
Yeah.
Okay. So and what else they are going to construct here?
like 28 guest house, and that is going to reopen on 11, coming 11.
And you mean
Booking.
okay for booking? All right. And I would like to know what are the famous places nearby to visit.
In Kolli Hills.
Yeah, Kolli Hills and surroundings.
Maximum there are 2 places in Kolli Hills which is preferable is Mazila Falls and the 1,000 feet that falls.
Okay, we need to climb 1,000 steps below the earth. I mean down.
It is more like when you are going down is not a matter, but when you are coming up, you will be totally out of it.
Oh God.
And also the
So,
breeze in water and
They
underground
will give permission to do bath over there.
yeah,
All right.
till 3. The
And
change time is
what
till
are the safety precautions I need to take?
3. You have to have it. There is no any locker in down.
Okay.
So you need to prefer with your gadgets.
Oh, all right. Oh
There
my
is
God.
no locker or there is no particular room and all.
All right.
Only one room is there. That is only for dress changing.
Okay.
But that is also too wetty. So
Okay.
you have
How
to
long
have
it will take to climb the mountain?
It's take nearly 45 to 1 hour.
1 hour. So
Because
how,
the
what about
scenery-
the distance?
Nearly it takes there is 70 bends, and there is a mid of 33 bends, and it will take around 20 kilometers, 10 to 20, 15 to 20 kilometers.
15 to 20 kilometers.
Approximately. Not
Okay.
accurate because we don't see the local timing. I mean, we only see the timing and the bends.
Okay. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Thank you. Have a good journey.
Yeah, thank you. So actually they are constructing like a guest house, it seems, and the booking will start from 11th. It's already too late. We need to check out from here. So like it's already 8:30 now. We need to move very fast, and he said it will take around 40 to 50 minutes, and the distance is like 15 to 20 minutes. Sorry, 15 to 20 kilometers. Chalo, let's move and enjoy the landscapes and the timeline. This is the entrance for Kolli Hills, and the distance is around like 15 to 20 kilometer it seems, and it will take 40 to 50 minutes. Chalo, let's go and enjoy the views.
Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the golden view. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning.
This road was crazy AF, you know, literally. Oh my god, crazy. We haven't reached yet, but meanwhile on the way there is a old temple. So just I want to show you people. Okay, let's go. This is the temple. I don't know which god. Oh, like Durga Mata. Wow, we came at the correct time. Nice. This is the temple. Finally, after 1 hour drive, we reached waterfalls. I parked Bella over there, and we need to take a ticket, it seems. So let's go. And the quality of these waterfalls is we need to go down into the valley, and we need to cross around 1000 steps. Okay, so that is a crazy thing. Oh, hopefully I will not get dehydrated. Chalo, let's go. I don't know what they written. I'm not understanding. But I think 6 o'clock it is closed. This is the office room. Okay, ticket counter is inside. Alright. Bhaiya, ticket. Ek. हाँ 30 30 बोले तो 30 10 20 30 and the ticket is 30.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And route yeah.
Nice.
Oh,
Software mills.
okay.
Mills.
No,
Yes.
this is a route. Okay.
Software mills.
Sapud mills. Chalo, let's go. Like he's saying, have you done your lunch? Sapud mills. I think so. I don't know whether it is correct or not. Chalo, let's go. Now this is the crazy thing. We need to go 1000 steps. In my mind, only one thing, 1000 steps. Because while coming back, it will be like hell to climb one step. Hello, no worries. We can do it, yaar. This is the gate, second gate. We already crossed the first gate, and this is the second gate. Look at the trees, how dangerous they are. Different. Just now, just before like half an hour, I went to another waterfalls. But I haven't recorded it because it's small waterfalls. But I made a reel on it. I think I already uploaded. If you haven't seen the reel, just go to my Insta page, VanLife with Ravi, and have a look. You will enjoy it. Only 2 places left in Tamil Nadu. Those are Pondicherry and Chennai. I already visited Chennai, but not covered much places. I am very much excited to go to Pondicherry. Very much, because again we will get beach vibes. Super, na? I'm missing beach very badly. Like the most thing I like is, one is mountains, nature, and the second one is beach, you know. They will give so much of peace. I think we got a shop, just a normal shop. Okay. All right. The herbal soap. buttermilk, lemon juice, and herbal something. Oh my god! Look at this. Now we started actual trekking. Guys, I am so much scared. I don't know how I will come back. Literally, people are catching their legs to walk upside. Come on, I will show you a sample. Okay. Look at that guy and that girl. They are almost last stage of their lives. They are literally looking like that. Even see, climbing down is also, it's a bit hard. Guys, I'm already tired. I think I just crossed 100 steps because these steps heights are so much height. I don't know why they constructed like this. So wow, there is a viewpoint. Look at this, guys. Hey, what is this? Wow, this viewpoint is insane. Wow, guys, I can hear waterfall sound. I think you can also. If not, this DJI mic is waste. Chalo, let's go, let's go. Wow, what a view. Ori. Guys, this is amazing. Just guys, I'm scared by seeing these people only, not by climbing up. I think this waterfall is crazy because the sound which was coming from waterfalls is very loud. Oh my god, look at this. Guys, we reached waterfalls and the waterfalls are amazing. You know what? Just give me a second, I will show you. Hear the sound. We are almost there. They said 1000 steps, but we came very fast, you know. While going back, actual game will start. Wow, waterfalls. Crazy. I think still we need to walk few steps. Yeah, we are almost there. I'm getting people sound. They are chilling near the waterfalls. We will also join in 2 minutes. We successfully crossed all the. Now it's time for rocks. Wow, what a waterfalls! Look at this. How crazy they are. Guys, this is insane. Wow. It's worth coming here, bro. Look at this. My legs are already shivering. But wonderful waterfall. The water breeze are coming. Fuck. Chalo, let's go over there. But I will not carry the phone. There is no security here. Chalo, let's pack it.
In a dream and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all I know is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments.
Guys, hell, I'm dead. More 300 steps to go. When we are going down, it's like heaven. When we are coming up, it's like more than hell. Guys, let's go. Come on, Ravi, you can do it. Steps straight. Guys, finally we reached the top. Hell, we crossed the second gate. We are almost there. My god, this trek is like hell, but I enjoyed. Once in a lifetime, not again. Thank God. I reached very early. Chalo, let's move from this place.